Do you want to learn how to earn money from just using Google Translate? It's a method that works worldwide, so whether you're in the United States, Bulgaria like I am, Europe, India, China, I think, everywhere. It pretty much works everywhere. And it's very, very simple and it's automated. So you don't really have to put in the work, but you gotta be smart. And there's a new trick I wanted to give you right now. And it's something that some people will hear about a year from now or so on, and it might be saturated. So you wanna do it and you wanna start it right now. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. Me and my team, I have 2 video editors. We try to upload over 2 videos every single day for your value. And you want to take over the make money online niche. So if you're new, subscribe. And if you appreciate the effort, it's dark outside and I'm recording these videos, you should subscribe to this awesome YouTube channel. I meant like. I already said subscribe, so now like. And I'll shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment something cool down below, something funny, or your YouTube account, Instagram account, TikTok account down below. I'll take it, put it in the shout out jar, and shout you out in one of the next videos, just like this. Okay, let's start. So the way you're going to be making money from Google Translate is actually transcribing. And transcribing is basically the art of typing in what you hear from a video or from some audio. And I just want to start by showing you how much money people are making from just doing a simple task like this that can be automated. You won't be having to do any work. So I will transcribe 60-minute video. I want to sort the searches of people offering their services on Fiverr by best-selling, and we can see some people are getting paid $5, $15, $40. Let's say that on average they're getting this $15 plan, and they've got 2,843 feedback. Multiplied by $15, they made over 42 grand, over $42,645. It can be you making this money. All you gotta do is register on Fiverr, create a gig like this, and do what I'm about to show you. If you don't want to go on Fiverr, another option is Go Transcript. They pay a lot of money for transcribers that can do work similar to what you will be doing. Actually, exactly what you'll be doing. So how do you automate it? How do you make money like this person? $42,000. Obviously, results can vary. Do your own due diligence. Don't sue me, bro, right? All the disclaimer stuff out of the way. But what you do is you just go on Google Translate and click on English language. If the language you'll be transcribing in is English, you just click on turn voice here, and whatever you say from this moment onwards, it will transcribe. And the only word that we didn't get is icon because it was a part of the word. So you can just post an offer here or get an order from here. And then whenever you get the order, you turn the audio on with this function from Google Translate and you will earn money. Look how cool it is. It's perfect. It really is. So this is how you do it. If you like this video, if you appreciate it, make sure you give it a like and subscribe if you're new. A video a day keeps us up to date. By the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out. If you want money, definitely choose this one. See you next one. Bye.